Fresh salsa today. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, we're going to make us some Southwestern steak. We got all the ingredients. We made some salsa the other day. We even got some bacon fat to fry our steaks in. Got some Southwestern seasoning right here, a Southwestern rub. Got a little bit of salt in there. And we are going to pulverize this. Looky there. Oh my God, that smells good. Alright, so we're just going to put a little bit of that on the steak there. Actually a lot. Here. Wet hand, dry hand. We're shameless today. We're just going to cook with bacon fat. That's right. There we go. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to put these over here in this bowl. That's right. You can just beep at me all you want. Alright, now we're going to make a quick cheese sauce. This is a half a cup of Velveeta, a half a cup of heavy cream, and a nice big pinch of our seasoning that we made for the dinner tonight. Alright. Let's give it a little taste here. That is perfect cheese sauce. Go with some more bacon fat. So I'm going to run that bacon fat across the middle of the pan there. Drop these in. There we go. All right. Now how are we going to capitalize on all of that when you got beer? All that flavor you just made in this pan is now floating in that beer. Beer's all boiled off, as you can see. We're just gonna put our veggies back in there. I want all this juice to get absorbed by these vegetables. Because vegetables are fiber. They're like a sponge. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is really, really good. I come in with some of those vegetables. I'm going to come in with some of that guacamole we made. And we made some fresh salsa today. Oh yeah, look at that. Now you guys know I didn't forget. Got us some beautiful cheese sauce. I'll go right down the middle. Just like that. Oh my God. Put a little veg on there. A little guac. A little salsa. That's it right there. Look at that bite, you guys. That is insane. Alright y'all, you watch YouTube enough. Get in the kitchen now. Make you some of that.